Almal moet word soms spaarsamig gebruik. Most kids forget the word sal when they're supposed to write a sentence in the future. Sal word spaarsamig moet gebruik. So let's say I do not know how to answer this question. This is what I would do. So just to break down what I've done. So when you're working with a sentence that needs to be shifted into the future, you know that sal needs to be there, right? So the best way to do that is to move if, let's say, the original sentence had a verb one. So when you're working with Afrikaans sentences, it has a certain structure. It starts with the subject, then it has the first verb. In this case, almal is the subject and moot is verb one. But the actual verb one, when you move the sentences to the future, is sal. So then moot shifts all the way to verb two and becomes like a helping word, helping verb to verb two. So that's how I would do this.